Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Nafis. I have a lot of hobbies. I'm going to make origami jumping frog. First, we take a paper and make it to be squishy. Then cut this line. Fold a square in half down the middle like this. Fold another one and make another triangle like I show you now. This and fold here. Take this and fold it here. Swing out this end like this. After that, fold in the side like this. Next, fold in the middle like this. And then fold here one more time. After that, pull out the paper and flatten it like this. After that, fold the leg like this. Here is my frog. Come and play with me. Bye bye.